Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about basketball. So here is the introduction to our unit. So let's talk a little bit about the early history of basketball. It was created by a man named James Naismith. It was created in Springfield, Massachusetts in 1891. And one of the biggest reasons why it was created was in Massachusetts, again, it gets very, very cold during the winter months, a lot of snow outside. So it made sense to have a sport that took place inside. Now, basketball can be played inside or outside, doesn't really matter, but it was originally created as an indoor game. And there were less injuries than football. Here's some very early pictures of basketball. That is James Naismith over here on the left. This is the original gym where the sport was created. And on the right is some of the game, how it was played with the equipment that was used in 1892. If anybody is familiar with the sport of basketball, they understand that sometimes when you make a shot, it is called making a basket. And the reason it's called that is because if you take a look at this picture over here on the right of the man trying to shoot the ball into the basket, that is a peach basket that they used to use to go out into the fields and pick peaches and bring them back inside. There was obviously a big issue with using a peach basket was that they didn't cut the bottom out. So if somebody made a basket or made a shot into the hoop, they had to stop the game, go get a ladder, and then go get the ball out. So it wasn't until somebody decided to cut the bottom of the basket out where the game then really started to take off. Modern basketball is obviously a lot different. Even these pictures are a little bit old now, but here's a couple pictures of modern basketball. Athletes today are bigger, stronger, faster than we've ever seen before. The game of basketball is one of the most popular games throughout the United States and throughout the world, led by players like LeBron James here and Kevin Durant. Some key terms I would like to talk about real quick, and we will be doing our own research on this as we progress. Some key terms are shoot, that is just trying to get the ball up into the basket, from a distance usually. A layup is a shot that takes place very close to the basket. Dribbling is pushing the ball back and forth off the ground, up back and forth to your hand like a yo-yo. Passing takes place two different ways. One is a bounce pass, one's a chest pass. A bounce pass starts at your chest. You bounce it to the ground to your partner or to your teammate. A chest pass goes straight from your chest to your partner's chest. Foul is basically any illegal contact outside the rules of the game. The key is the painted area nearest the hoop. There are specific rules for how long a player is allowed to stand in that area. A free throw is as it says in the title, a free shot that takes place when somebody is fouled, either when they're shooting or when a team has too many fouls during a quarter or during a half. Offense is the team that possesses the ball, and the defense is the team that is trying to stop the offense from scoring. And there are two different versions of defense that are important. That is a zone defense where people will guard a specific area, or man-to-man where a person will guard a specific person. So one person will guard another person instead of an area. There are many different game variations when it comes to basketball. 5-on-5 is the most traditional, taking place inside. That is what the NBA is, college basketball, that kind of stuff. 3-on-3 is a game variation that actually is starting to become even more popular these days. It was held in the 2021 Olympics for the first time. Horse is a shooting game where a person is just trying to make a shot. And then if a person makes a shot, the person that shoots following them has to make the same exact shot, or they get the first letter H. And you just want to try to make as many shots as possible. And you definitely do not want to miss after the person in front of you makes the shot. Around the World is a game that basically there are spots set up all throughout the court that you have to make in order. 21 is a game where it's basically one person against everyone. It could be 20 people, it could be 3 people, and just individual, one person against the rest of the people. And 3-2-1 is a game you'll see sometimes out on, out on the blacktop at school, where anytime a student or an athlete has the ball, everyone starts counting down 3, 2, 1, and they have to shoot the shot before you hear the buzzer. When talking about the state standards, there are many that we would want to talk about. I do want you, depending on the grade that you're in, I want you to stop and pause it when I get to these screens, and I want you to take a look at these. Here's your state standards for 8th grade. And I will have a couple more videos posted, hopefully, where there will be some fun bloopers for us to watch. Because with all our units, I do want us to have a little bit of fun and enjoy seeing some athletes at the highest level do things that are kind of funny and not great. So hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I look forward to seeing how you learn and develop more with basketball.